Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. And I'm sure we all want a beautiful 2025. Now, pumalakpak po ang may gustong magkaroon ng magandang 2025. Okay, so I am honored to stand once again in front of you to talk about the beautiful products of Atomy. And let's make this afternoon more beautiful dun sa mga pang-pa-beautiful na produkto natin dito. I am Diamond Master Christian Santo Domingo from Baguio Cap Center. From the start of conception, pati nga doon sa binubuo pa lang yung baby, consumer na si baby. And then, until the last stage of our life, we all are consumers. And what we consume in between these two stages are of our choice. And pag nagkukonsume tayo, ibig sabihin, labas si pera. It would mean expenses. But here in Atomy, we can become smart consumers because we earn while we are buying this products. Now, what we are actually enjoying from the system of Atomy, from being a member of Atomy, are absolute quality, absolute price products. Anong ibig sabihin ng absolute quality, absolute price? Nabanggit man yan kanina, uulitin ko ulit, that Atomy is taking this serious task to become a consumer curator or product curator. Pinipili ni Atomy yung magagandang manufacturers na merong magagandang produkto using the best and latest technology. And with this level of quality, it's unbeatable. Nandun po yung pwede nilang itapat na reasonable price. And that is the absolute price na trabaho ni Atomy para sa atin. So we are enjoying products of Atomy not only from Korea but from different parts of the world. Now, this afternoon, let's talk about skin. These are the causes of skin aging. We have sun radiation, smoking, temperature, nutrition, stress, lack of sleep, and pollution. And how do we counter this? With basic skincare routine. I will be talking about the two, first and second step, but please be reminded that very important po ang ating sun protection, especially during the day. Now, these are our featured products, our evening care set, and our absolute selective set. Now, meron po tayong Q&A before I end my lecture. So please be attentive. Babanggitin ko yung information na to at ganun din po nabanggit din ng ating country manager kanina. Very special po ang price natin kasi nasa absolute line din po ang price natin mamaya. So please be very attentive. Now, please check the list here. Do you have any of the following skin problems? If your answer is yes, go back to step 1, which is cleansing. So, with the cleansing here in Atomy, we have our evening care set. Okay, so ang ating evening care set, tinatawag lang po siyang evening care, hindi gagamitin sa evening lang. Pwede po siyang gamitin any time of the day because our products are organic. Now, I will be showing you how we will be using the products. So, please welcome our absolute beauty this afternoon, Ma'am Abby Canuto. Please give her a hand. Very Atomy. Okay, so sa ating set, we have 4 inclusions. And I will be showing you how we will properly use the products. Okay, so the first one is our deep cleanser. Ang ating deep cleanser is oily po siya na cleanser. You can only clean yung oil with kapwa oil. Like and like attract each other. Okay, so you can only cut through dun sa oily na face nyo maghapon, oily na products na inilalagay natin sa ating muka with an oily product. Okay, so ang paglagay po natin dito, I will just scatter it. I will let the model do po yung pag-massage kasi mahihirapan po akong mag-bubble mamaya pag oily ang aking kamay. Okay, so kung mapapansin po ninyo, puti po ang produkto. Okay, so as you go through the massaging of the product sa inyong face, it will become translucent. And then, from being oily, it will become watery. Yun na yung stage na pwede na po natin siyang punasan. Okay, so yung iba, they love to let the deep cleanser stay on their face for longer time. Kaya makintab yung face nila. This is really a very good cleansing agent para po thorough po yung pag-clean sa ating mga muka. So, just for now, hindi ko na po i-extend dito. But please take this as a reminder. Do not apply too thinly of this product and then i-extend ninyo sa lower jaw. Kasi kung minsan nagkakaroon sila ng breakout dito because you do not clean this part also. So please include that. So I will now let our model do the massaging. Okay, so circular and gentle po. Okay, so I will let Ma'am Abby do that. Again, ano po ang reminder natin sa deep cleanser? Do not use too little of the product. And then, please, yung gentle po ang pag-rub natin dito. And then, extend the application po dun sa jaw or the upper part of your neck. Okay, so yun po ang maganda. So you can remove this, you can use this to remove your makeup. Please do not wash your face first. Dapat po dry yung mukha ninyo na a-applyan nyo nitong produktong ito. Okay, so hindi po natin masyadong patatagalin ang paglagay po ng pag-massage para hindi po tayo magtagal dito. Okay, so now mapapansin ninyo, it becomes oily. Okay, so let's see kung malilinis niya yung mga makeup na ginamit ng ating napakagandang model. Okay, so we can wipe it. Ganyan. So makikita po natin na meron po talagang dumi na matatanggal yung ating deep cleanser. Okay, so always po na ang stroke natin when we do the cleansing is always upward. Okay, to counter po yung gravitational pull. Okay, so lagi pong upward ang pagpunas natin sa ating mukha. Okay, so we can now proceed to the next step. So, ang next step po natin is our foam cleanser. Kung isa kayo sa mga maaarte din sa information like me, I also tried to Google kung safe bang gumamit ng antibacterial na product. So this is antibacterial pero hindi niya sisirain yung natural protection ng inyong muka because this is organic. Now, please do not apply this directly on your face because this is highly concentrated foam. Maaari po kasi na magkaroon ng reaksyon ng inyong muka kung diretso nyong ilalagay yan, lalo na kung sensitive ang muka ninyo. Now, put an ample amount on your palm and then lagyan nyo po ng konting tubig. Pag kokonti po masyado yung tubig, posible pong hindi magbabubble yan. So, magbabubble yan pag nadadagdagan ng konting tubig. Please add some more, ma'am. Okay, thank you po. Now, when we are doing the lathering of the product, we are actually, ina-activate natin yung Philenols lenteus extract. And this will produce amino acids that will thoroughly clean our face. And then, this Philenols lenteus extract would leave our skin soft. Hindi po yung pagkatapos po ninyong hugasan ang inyong muka ay binat na binat or dry yung pakiramdam. So dito po sa ating foam, maaamoy din po ng ating mga client na the scent is so light. Hindi po siya masakit sa ilong. Now, please rub it dito sa mga areas na dito sa ating kilay, kasi kung minsan may mga nagtatago po diyang mga maliliit na creatures. We call that the demodex. Okay, those demodex would thrive on our face. Ang kinakain nila, dead skin cells. At yun ang tatanggalin po nung next na product na ilalagay natin. And please, check nyo po yung dito sa side ng nose kasi dito po madalas yung oily. Okay, so yan po, sasabunin po natin ng maayos ang ating muka. And when you do this on your own, include nyo din po yung inyong mga pilik mata. Okay? And again, include your jaw. Para lahat po is malinis talaga. Now, we will let our model rinse her face off. Pero babawasan po natin yung sabon para hindi siya mahirapang banlaw. Para hindi tayo magtagal sa pagbabanlaw. Okay? Now, ito pong ating foam cleanser. Ito po yung matagal maubos sa set. Okay? So, yan po yung matipid. Please help me wash my hands, ma'am. Thank you po. Okay, maraming salamat po. Okay, so dito po sa set natin, ito pong dalawa yung gagamitin ninyo everyday. You use your deep cleanser at the end of your day. Whether it be evening, pero kung graveyard shift kayo, night duty kayo, syempre ang end of your day would be morning. So end of your day po ang ating deep cleanser. You use this once. And then, ito pong ating foam cleanser, any time of the day na kailangan po ninyong banlawan ang inyong mukha. Okay, so ito po, sabi ko kanina, ito po ang pinakamatagal maubos sa buong set. Now, after po na i-towel dry natin, light tapping po lagi and always use clean towel sa inyong mga mukha. Okay, so after pong i-dry ng ating model, ito po ang reminder, please do not use your peeling gel in a humid environment. Yung katatapos nyong maligo, tapos magpipiling gel kayo, hindi magtatrabaho si peeling gel. So reminder, dry environment, dry face, dry hands. Okay, so we will put an ample amount of this peeling gel sa mukha ng ating model. Huwag nyo po munang hayaan na i-rub ni client yung peeling gel sa kanyang mukha. Because ibababad po natin yan 3 to 5 minutes, depende na rin po doon sa skin condition ng face. Kasi meron yung ibang skin na sinisip-sip nila agad yung product. Ang pinaka-reminder na lang din natin dito is, aside from applying generous amount, before it gets totally dry, dapat po na ma-rub na po natin. So our peeling gel is gel type, kaya peeling gel. So wala po kayong makikita ng mga granules. Please stay away from those granules, lalo kung pimple prone ang face ninyo. Kasi pag nasaktan niya yung pimple ninyo or yung skin ninyo, that's the point na magkakaroon ng irritation ang skin natin. Okay, so we will let the dead skin cells na mababad. And let's take a peek. Ano po ba ang ilalagay natin after the peeling gel? Kasi ilang minuto din, nahihintayin natin to. So titignan po natin kung ano yung next set of products na ilalagay natin sa mukha ng ating model. So, tapos na po to. This would be the reminder. And then, ito pong ating peeling gel. Do not use in humid environment. And then, rub the gel before it dries off. Okay, so for our extraordinary po na set dito sa Atomy, we have our Absolute Cell Active set. So nabanggit kanina sa ating company introduction yung mga awards na to. But gusto ko lang pong i-expound. Ano nga ba yung IR52? Ano ang kahalagahan ng Jang Yong-shil Award? Okay, so doon po sa ating The Fame set, yung essence lang po natin ang nabigyan nitong award. Pero dito sa ating absolute set, lahat ng 6 na yan, natanggap niya yung IR52 na yan. Okay, so Jang Yong-shil is one of the outstanding po na inventor nung time ni King Sejong. So yun naman na yung next na award. And King Sejong is very supportive sa cultural, economic, and scientific researches during his time. At isa siya sa mga sikat na hari nung time na may mga hari-hari pa doon sa Korea. And he is the inventor of Hangul or the Korean alphabet. Okay, so itong ating King Sejong Award is one of the most prestigious awards that a product will ever receive. And this is based on the technology of the product that is used in manufacturing this. Okay, so ang ating cell active set, ito ang pinakauna ever in the cosmetics industry to receive that prestigious award. Okay, so dapat nga pong palakpakan yan. Okay, so aside from the Quadruple Crown Award, I hope you will take note of this. Yung nabanggit nga kanina na we reached another milestone. Ano yung milestone natin? We reached the 1 trillion Korean won cumulative sales. First in the cosmetics na product natin. Okay, so next slide please. Okay, so these 4 technologies are present also in our The Fame set. Okay, so the high purity refining technology, fresh biotechnology, microfermentation technology, concentrated microcapsule, complex capsules, in summary, We are extracting the best ingredients in concentrated form. We break them down, and then we encapsulate them with the nanotechnology para po makapasok sila sa loob ng ating skin, and then kumapit sila. Yung may kapit lang dyan na atom yan. Okay? Yung feeling na gustong gumive up pero kakapit dahil kay Absolute Set. Okay? Pero aside from this, kaya napaka-special ng set na to, it's because of the next two technologies. What are these technology? We have sa absolute code would be the material, and the absolute technology for the delivery. Okay, so ito po yung idinagdag nilang dalawa. Now, tignan po natin kung ano itong mga to. So, what are the materials that we use here? Ito po yung apat na to. You can browse your website para alamin kung ano yung mga function ng mga to. So, itong mga apat na main ingredients are more for the de-aging. When we say de-aging, ibabalik niya yung skin nyo sa younger version. 5, 10, or more years younger. O, diba? So, kaya napaka-special ng ating Absolute Set. Now, next slide, please. So, kahit na magaganda tong mga to, na ang trabaho nila is to have the 3 absolute codes. Ito ang mga i-check nyo sa mga absolute products natin. Dito sa Cell-Active natin, kompleto yung tatlo. The first one is absolute code AL for All Might, wrinkle and scar correction. Absolute code BR, brightening or whitening. And absolute code LI for lifting. Okay, so kahit na maganda yung mga function ng mga to, kung hindi naman sila madedeliver, that is the 6th technology. These ingredients are sent like soldiers papunta sa kung saan sila magtatrabaho. Dadalhin ng delivery code na to doon sa mga problem areas sa ating muka, itong mga produktong ito. Okay, so next slide, please. What is the base of our product? We are using the green tea essential water. And this will make our product more effective and more stable. So, hindi enough yung kumpleto na yung ingredients. Kailangan niya ng magandang base para mas maging effective siya. And we are using the tuberose as our scent. Isa to sa top 3 na ginagamit ng mga sikat or luxury brand ng perfumes. So, yun ang maaamoy natin sa ating Absolute Set. So, by now, pwede na siguro nating tingnan kung ready na yung skin ng ating model. So, I always start sa edge, titignan kung meron na. At meron na ngayon parang libag. Okay, so I will let the model do the massaging. Okay, so let's rub it off gently, Miss Model. Okay, so yung pag-rub na yan, huwag nyo namang masyadong panggigilan. Okay, ang inyong mga muka. Now, this is really very helpful because it will remove the dead skin cells on your skin para ihanda yung face natin doon sa mga susunod na ilalagay natin sa ating muka. So, ito po ang pagkakaayos ng application natin. We have our toner, our ampoule and serum. This has thinner consistency. Mas madali po silang pumasok sa deeper layers of our skin. And our lotion, then next would be the eye cream, and then the last one would be the nutrition cream. Kailangan ba na lahat talaga? Okay, so malalaman ninyo kung bakit mamaya. Now, I think pwede na po nating pagbanlawin ang ating model. So kung mapapansin ninyo, I'm not sure if you can see it sa place ninyo, pero makikita ninyo ang dead skin cells na natatanggal sa mukha ng ating model. So when you do this on your own, you can wash with water directly. I-rinse off ninyo agad. And please, make sure na you rinse it off well. Kasi medyo madulas po yung product. Okay, so Miss Model, you may now do the final rinsing. Okay, so final na po yan. Now, there is an instance that one of my members only asked me that she will buy toner. Will you let your member buy toner alone in Atomy? No, because this will open your pores. This will return yung balance sa skin natin after we wash our face. So kung ito lang ang inilagay niya, hindi siya naglagay, so masasakripisyo din yung skin niya. So you always let them buy toner and any of the moisturizer. Pero kung gusto ninyo na mas makita yung pagbabago sa face ninyo, especially if you have troubled face, ito po, buong set dapat. At yun po ang ipapakita namin ngayon. Now, please do not let na matuyo ng sobra yung face ninyo bago kayo maglagay ng toner. Make sure na basa pa lang ng konti yung face ninyo, lagyan nyo na ng toner. So depende na rin sa face area kung ilang pumps ang ilalagay ninyo. So lalagyan natin ang mukha ng ating model. We can also do the triple layering para mas makita yung effect or mas magtrabaho yung ating susunod na mga products na ilalagay sa ating mukha. Okay, so always try to do the light tapping. Why? This will help doon sa absorption ng product sa ating skin. Okay, so after the toner, ano na po ang ilalagay natin dito? We have the ampoule. By the way, our toner, kung mapapansin niyo, it's the only product that has the absolute brightening code. At ito yung makikita natin sa ating Snow Set na code. Okay, so it contains 15%. Therefore, it will help whiten your skin or brighten your skin. Now, let's start to bring our magic wand. This is our magical blue bottle. Ito na po mismong ang magic wand ninyo. Ito na po yung mismong dropper niya. Sa others would put the product here. Kaya gumaganda yung skin nila dito. But for me, what I do is I apply direct here. Para hindi din sayang ito na ilalagay natin dun sa ating kamay. Okay, so make sure na lahat ng area sa face ninyo is malalagyan ninyo. Again, this is serum type. Kaya po, madali po siyang ma-absorb ng ating skin. And I forgot a while ago na ang reminder is you have to put also doon sa neck part ninyo. Now, I remember yung sinabi ng isa sa ating mga sales masters sa Alpha Center before na yung Korea-Koreana yung mukha, pero yung leeg is Afri-Africano. Okay, so yung mukha kayong camouflage. Diba? So please din, i-extend nyo din po sa neck ninyo yung anong product na ilalagay natin sa mukha natin para pantay ang ating beauty. Okay? So the next one would be our serum. Now, this is also just like our ampoule, it contains the absolute AL code. Okay, so All Might. So the serum, the blue bottle is very good in correcting scars and wrinkles. And same is true with this. Mas mababa lang ng konti yung code niya, pinakamataas yung blue bottle natin. Okay, so again, pati po sa neck. Okay? So, lagi niyong tandaan yun. Kasi ako, pag ginagawa ko na yung skincare ko, lagi kong naiisip yung lecture po ni sales master doon sa Afri-Africano. Okay? So, nangingiti ako pag nag-i-skincare ako. Okay? So, yun po ang pag-apply nung ating serum. And the next one would be our lotion. This would help to balance the water and oil of our skin. And this will strengthen the structure of your skin. Okay, so, ang dami naman yan. Ubus na yung oras ko. Okay, so you can do this in between your task. Diba? Isingit-singit nyo lang. Hindi nyo mapapansin halos na ginagawa nyo ito. Okay, so itong ating lotion, it will help in lifting your skin. Kasi absolute code LI siya. Okay? And then the next one would be our eye cream. Siguro, sasabihin ninyo, alam ko, kahit hindi nyo sabihin pala, na bakit siya? Malaki yung eye bag. Mas malala po yan noon. So my eye bag before are bigger and then wrinkled siya tapos dark. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako kay Atomy. Pero pag may pera na ako, pag imperial na ako, alam nyo na. May ginawa na rin akong iba dyan. Okay? Pero this one, get an ample amount of this and then put on your hand. Sabi nga po ng ating speaker ng last December, huwag niyong itak-tak ibalik. Okay, umanghinaya. So how do you put this? Ilagay ninyo doon sa area where they are needed. Dito sa forehead. Doon sa crow's feet. Dito po sa ating side ng mata. Okay, dito po sa laugh lines natin. Okay, and then sa ating neck. Kasi dito po yung marami din po tayong mga wrinkles. Kasi usapan namin ni Ma'am Abby kanina, Ma'am, damihan mo yung ilagay mo. Kaya dinadamihan ko. Anyway po, dito po sa ating eye, you do the light tapping. Okay, huwag nyo pong batak-batakin yan. Kasi isipin niyo kung garter yung news, kasi malambot po yung dito sa mata. Pag binatak-batak natin yan, parang garter din na magkakaroon ng wrinkle. So please, lightly lang. Okay, and then light lang din doon. Okay, so nakikita ko po yung mukha ng ating model sa screen. Gumaganda ng gumaganda ang ating diamond. Mas lalo na kasi soon to be Sharon Rose Master yan. Okay? And then the last one, to seal off all of these products, lalagyan po natin ng nutrition cream. Okay, so this nutrition cream has triple elasticity care. Okay, so binibilisan lang natin sa pag-apply. Okay? So, lagyan nyo din po lahat ng kung saan kailangan. Okay? So, sinusulit talaga namin ni Ma'am Abby, dinadamihan namin. Okay? So, thank you po, Atomy PH. Okay? So, ang ating sponsor sa ating lecture ngayon. Okay? So, ito po ang magsisil nung lahat nung nilagay ninyo sa inyong magandang muka. At lalong gaganda yan if you choose our set, na absolute set. Narinig na po natin yan sa ating mga testimonies kanina, di po ba? And then, ongoing pa po ang promo ng ating HQ. You buy one set of the Absolute Selective Care and then you get one free evening care. O di ba? Kompletong package na. Okay, so ang last po nating ilalagay dyan is our mask. Okay, so ang ating peel-off mask, ang sasabihin ng iba, ay, sayang yung nilagay natin, lalagyan natin ng mask. No, it will further help dun sa absorption. Now, what is the function of our mask? It will lift our skin and minimize our pores. So, kung meron kayong mga kakilala na gaya ko before na malalaki ang pores, ito po yung pinaka-maganda. Okay? So, what we do is, una ko nilalagyan ang forehead. And then, I move towards the edges. Okay? Doon sa outline. Naaalala nyo nung mga elementary grades natin, na pag nagpakulay si teacher, anong pinapauna niyang pinapakulayan? Yung gilid. Para makontrol ninyo yung stroke ng inyong crayons. Di po ba? At ganon din po sa ating muka. Para hindi yung sumosobra doon. Di po ba? So, ilalagay natin yan sa outline muna. And then from there, we apply upwards po yung stroke. Okay, so ang ating peeling gel, you can use up to 3 times a week. 1 time or 3 times a week. Huwag nyo pong araw-arawin kasi masyado naman pong mahuhubaran ang skin ninyo. At saka, pag inaraw-araw natin, halos wala na din po tayong natatanggal na dead skin cells. So, ang isa pang reminder natin, huwag nyo pong kalimutan ang inyong sunscreen the following day na nag-peeling gel kayo. Dito naman po sa peel-off mask, ilang beses po natin gagamitin ang peel-off mask. You can use it once a week or the best is every day. So kung makikita nyo po, may mga post ang ating ibang masisipag na Atomians na daily po silang nagmamask. At kitang-kita naman, nung nag-meet kami kanina, na gumanda lalo ang kanilang mga mukha. Okay, so please do that sa inyong peel-off mask. Now, another tip. You can use this overnight. Okay, you can let it stay overnight. At ang reminder lang, bilinan nyo yung first time na, yung katabi nyo na first time na makakakita sa inyo. Kasi sa kaligitnaan ng gabi, baka bigla magulat siya. Sino yung katabi niya? Okay? So, ang ating peel-off mask is organic again. So, your skin can still breathe through the product. So, tanggalin nyo na lang po pag umaga na. Okay? So, ipapakita ko kung paano po yung pangtanggal. Okay? So, kay Ma'am Abby, the beautiful model, thank you so much. Okay. Thank you, Ma'am Abby. Now, I will show you kung paano po ang pag-pull. Kasi, nagulat ako na hanggang ngayon, meron pa pong mga Atomians na ang ginagawa nila is dito tatanggalin, dito tatanggalin. Okay, so how do we remove it? So, hulihin nyo dito sa ilalim. Okay, so tignan ninyo kung meron na kayong matatanggal na part. And then, upwards po dapat ang direction. Okay? Ayun. Diba? Now, ang pwede po ninyong gawin, diba bumata si Ma'am Abby. Ilang years younger. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, para i-prove sa mga members nyo din na talagang organic ang products natin. Itong ipahawak nyo sa kanila, and then makikita na malambot talaga. And then ilagay nyo sa tubig, matutunaw siya. Na pag natunaw na, pwede uling gamitin. And then, joke lang. Okay, so pag natunaw na yan, ibig sabihin na organic talaga yung produkto natin. Thank you so much, younger Miss Abby. Okay, so, slides please. Okay, so, may question po ako. Ano po, please, nakikita po ba yung question? Okay, so what remarkable milestone did we reach with our Absolute Cell Active Skincare in October of 2024? Now, what is the answer? Yes, ma'am. Please, lapit po ang ating staff. Ano po ang milestone natin? Kasi ako natatandaan kong October yon. Yes.
1 trillion Korean won sales.
Yes. Okay, congratulations. You won Absolute Essence Sun. Di ba? That is for the third basic skin care, yung sun protection. Please do not forget to use your sun protection. Okay, so yan po ang ating award. Now, kanina nabanggit po sa ating testimony, beautiful skin requires commitment. Kung minsan, kailangan talaga ng effort. Kasi kung hindi ka born to be, kailangan ng effort to be beautiful. Because wag po kayong maghintay ng himala. Okay, so, dito sa Atomy, ano ang puhunan natin? Let your skin do the talking. Okay, so yun po ang pag ginagamit natin ito. Now, that is just a presentation. Ito ang pinaka-crucial. Ano ang gagawin natin sa information na to? Hindi yung, natutunan ko na yan, okay, no. What will we do? Be confident to use them. Kayo muna. Don't scam people na hindi nyo pa sinusubukang gamitin. Learn and grow. Okay? Tulungan ninyo ang sarili ninyo. And then, deliver this information. Hindi po tayo taga-deliver ng produkto. We deliver information and we deliver success here in Atomy. Now, I hope let us use this tool effectively, this absolute quality, absolute price products that we have in Atomy to grow on our own global ang hawak ninyong ID. Hindi yan basta-basta lang napipitsugin na membership. That's global. And for everything, we bring back the glory to our absolute God. Thank you so much.